How are you all? I hope all will be fine. Today we are going to learn fourth lesson. What is the lesson, children? Subtraction. What is the lesson? Subtraction. Do you know what is the meaning of subtraction, children? Tell me the answer. Yeah. Taking away number from given number. Okay. What is the meaning of subtraction? Taking away number from given number. Okay, children. Now, we have already learned the subtraction of 3-digit numbers. In the same way, we do subtraction of 2 4-digit numbers. Okay, children. Let us revise. First, we fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one. The process of taking away one number from another number is called what, children? Tell me the answer. Subtraction. The process of taking away one number from another number is called subtraction. Okay, children. Next, second one. The result of subtraction is called the result of subtraction is called difference. What is the answer? Difference. Okay, next, third one. For each addition fact, we have to subtraction fact. For each addition fact, we have how many subtraction facts, children? 2 subtraction facts. Next, fourth one. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, children. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. The number itself. Okay, children. If a number is subtracted from itself, The difference is always 0. Always 0. Look here, first bit. Fill in the blanks. The process of taking away one number from another number is called subtraction. The result of subtraction is called difference. The result of subtraction is called difference. From each addition fact, we have two subtraction fact. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. If a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. For example, 100 minus 100, we will get 0. We will get 0. Note this one. Next bit. From each of the addition facts, write down the related subtraction fact. Related subtraction fact. Now we are given first question. 36 plus 14 equal. What is the sum? 50. You have to make two subtraction fact. First answer. 50 minus 36 equal. What is the answer? 50 minus 36. Now see. 0 to 6 not going. You have to take regrouping. Regrouping. Borrow. There to borrow taking time. What is here? 10. What is here? 4. Now 10 to 6 remove. What is the answer? 10 to 6 remove. What is the answer? Listen here. Now somebody's are writing like that, lines taken and cutting. You have to check like that. 6. Down number. You have to take down number. 6. For how much adding time? Coming 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now here 10 to 6 going time. What is the answer, children? 4. You have to write here 4. Now here 5 to 1 here went borrow. Now here come. Now we are having how much, children? 4. 4 tens. Now here 5 tens. 5 tens to 1 means what here? 1 10 went next once a digit. Now here 4 tens. 4 tens to 3 tens remove. What is the answer? 3. For how much adding time we will come for? 1. Now here 4 to 3 going time? 1. This one is 1. Next one. First one completed. Now here how many facts write, Oscar? 2 facts. Now 50 to 14 remove. 50 to 14 remove. What is the answer? See here. Here to here going time 10, here 4. 10 to 4 cut. Now children see here. 4 there, down place in 4 there. Now how much adding time? This number for how much adding time we will come 10. Check like that. 4 after 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much adding time coming 10, children? 6 adding time coming, children. That's why it's only 10 to 4 going time. What is the answer? 6. Now here 4 to 1 going time, children. 1 for how much adding time we will get 4? Yes, 3 adding time we will get 4. Now 4 to 1 going time. What is the answer, children? 3. Okay, children. Understand this one? One more problem. Listen here. Fifth one. 384 plus 286 is equal 670. You have to take this 670 first. 672. You have to first remove the first number. Now 10 to 4 cut. Now here 0. 0 to 4 not going. We have to take in regrouping. Here 10. Here 6. Now 10 to 4 cut. What is the answer? 6. Now 6 to 8 cut. 6 to 8 not going. Now here also taking regrouping. Now 16. Here 5. 16 to 8 cut. 8 for how much coming? Adding time 16 we will come. Now means check 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Means how much adding time we will get? 16. Now count 16 to 8 cut. Means 8 for how much adding time we will get? 16. 8 after count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now here which number is there? That number coming for you have to count down to down number to you have to count up how much is there that much. Okay children. Now how much is here? 8. Now 5 to 3 cut. 5 to 3 cutting time 2. 286. Next second one. 672 remove the second addend. Now take regrouping 10. 10 to 6 going time 4. Now here 6 to 8 not going. Taking regrouping 16. Here 5. 16 to 8 going time 8. 5 to 2 going time 3. 384. What is the difference here? 384. What you have observed in this problem? Now, sum to first number subtracting time 384 from 670 we will get 286. Now, this to this remove time this number coming. Now, this number to this number remove time first number coming. Now, this only observed here. Now, yes or no? Yes. Note this one. Third bit. Subtract the following. Subtract the following. Look here. A1. 72 minus 46. Now, this one ones place, this one tens place. When you are subtracting and you have to do ones place too. You have to subtract first of all ones, then tens, then hundreds like that. Okay children. 2 to 6 going the children? 2 to 6 not going. Now, for example, listen. I am near 2 chocolates there. I am distribute one equally 6 children. Is it possible? Is it not possible? 6 having time. 2 children equally distributing is possible. But 2 to 6 is not possible. That's why only we are taking regrouping. Now, 7 to 2. 7 to 7 tens to here take 1 10. What is the answer here? 12. Now here 6. You can check 12 to 6 cut. 12 to 6 cut. 6 for how much adding time 12 coming children? 6 to 12. You have to count. 6 to 12 count. 6 after to 12. Count. How many numbers coming? Go you have to check. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now how many? 12. 12 to 6 going time. What is the answer children? 6. Okay children. Next here 6 to 10. 6 to 10 is to 4 cut. Means 4 for how much counting time we will get 6. Count it. 4 after number 2. 5, 6. How much 6 to 4 going time? 2. Okay children, write this one. Next, G problem. How many digits are there? 3 digit numbers are there in this question. You have to check. First subtract ones, then subtract tens, then subtract hundreds. 7 to 6 going the children? Yes, 7 to 6 going time how much? 1. So 0 to 5? Not going. That's why it's only taking regrouping. What is here? 10. What is here? 7. 10 to 5 cut. 5 to 5 after number to 10. How many are there? Oh, you have to count it. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means how many? 5. Now here 5. Then 7 to 4 cut. 4 after number to 7. For how many? 4. For how much adding time? We will get 7. Like that thing. 4 after number to count. 5, 6, 7. How much children? 3. Okay children. Note this one. Okay, children, today homework. Complete the page number 97. Complete the page number 97. You have to take out textbook, take out page number 97, complete it. Okay, children. Thank you.